Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. During pregnancy, if you are also feeling that your stomach is tightening up, you can be in your any of the trimester, first trimester, second trimester or the third trimester. What does this stomach tightening mean? Is it a dangerous sign when you have to consult your doctor? We will explore everything in this video. So let's start the video. So the stomach tightening can be followed with some sort of pains as well. It can be mild pain as well as it can be intense pain. So let's understand trimester by trimester why this stomach tightening happens to you. If you talk about the first trimester, there could be n number of causes for this. Few of non-serious things are like if you are having the gastric problem, you are having the constipation, bloating is there. So this can cause some sort of tightening in your stomach and you could feel some sort of pain, and it is a quite common thing. Number second could be a bit serious thing, that is it can be a sign of the miscarriage. If you are feeling the stomach tightening with intense pain, also you are noticing the bleeding, some tissues are coming in the discharge, you're having fever, you are also having back pains, then it is a sign that it might be a case of miscarriage. So if this is happening to you, then you should consult your gynecologist. Let's talk about the second trimester. Now during the second trimester, the baby started growing at a bit faster pace and the baby is gaining the size and the baby is getting bulkier, and also your uterus is growing up. This will stretch your ligaments and muscles, and due to this the tightening is there accompanied with mild pains, which are very much occasionally. Now the second thing in the second trimester is when you approach it at the last of your second trimester, that is in the 7th month, you might feel Braxton Hicks contraction. Now they are also known as false labor pain, and it is a very common thing, and you should understand the difference between Braxton Hicks contraction and the true labor. If you want to see the detailed video, the link is flashing above on the I button. You can check out that video. But this is harmless and it will last for only 1 or 2 minutes and it will then settle down. They are quite irregular during the 7th month and the intensity is also very low. Also in the second trimester, sometimes you feel the stretching, the tightening when the baby is moving here and there inside the womb. So if you are feeling this tightening and the stretching and the pain when the baby is moving, it is quite normal and it is happening due to the movements of the baby. If you talk about the third trimester, you would feel more of the tightening in your upper abdomen, because at this time, at somewhere in the 8th month, the baby fixes the head in the pelvis, and now the baby's limbs are only movable, that is the hands and the legs. The baby is in inverted position, the head is fixed to the pelvis, the legs are towards your upper abdomen and the hands are on the sides of the stomach. So you would feel some sort of the upper abdomen pain or the sideways stomach pain. So this is quite normal, and this will also be accompanied with the tightening, because when the baby stretches the arms and the legs, it stretches the muscles out and you will be able to see the movements as well as you will be able to show the movements to the other people, because this time your muscle stretches to a visible degree. But now you have to keep track that it could be a sign of labor as well. As you progress in your 9th month, you have to keep track of the labor signs as well. When it is the opportune time, that is in the 9th month, definitely you will feel the tightening accompanied with the intense lower abdomen pain, and this is all happening due to the contraction. So if you are feeling this sort of pain, again you have to visit your gynecologist. And in any time of your pregnancy, if you are feeling very intense pain and it is happening again and again, then you should consult your doctor. So friends, this is all in this video. If you like the video, kindly press the like button. If you are coming to the channel first time, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon and then select all to never miss an update from Health Tricks and Tips in English. We'll catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.